So I have a water bottle, biscuits, juice, and then my favorite carton, cocoa melon. So remember this mixture. I will leave the video in the cart, so you see the video of how I made this. These are cloves. You can find them in your regular aboki store. They have all these spices, so you can buy it from them, maybe 500 or 1000. And this is rosemary. You can see this is the clove and the rosemary in it already. Add olive oil. Add my sunny eye. And then I cover it. So you just keep this. The longer it stays, the more potent it is. So you just leave it soaked like this and just apply whenever you want to. And these are the combs we're going to use. These are aloe vera. Sit down, Mama. Wanna sit down? Ah, that's up. People are saying baby that they want to do hair for. Hey, Mama. Good job, Mama. Good job, Mama. Mama. Up and down. Up and down. It's time for my lecture. Yeah, this is very soft. Bye, mama. Bye. Say cheese, cheese. Is that my cheesy baby? Bye. So I'm just going in with this oil that I showed you earlier on, and I only use this. That's any day I do the wash day. That's when I apply this. Then the other days of the week I use this. You're seeing on the screen right now. Very powerful. If you know, you know. Yeah. Then I put it back in plates like this, and you can see how much it has improved. I will show you the before of how it was. My daughter's hair was like this from birth, and then it transitioned into this, like just went about in that particular area due to maybe where she's lying on, maybe not enough moisture getting there, and so many other things that causes bald spots. Anyway, so you can see how much we've improved. It now has density, it now has weight. You can just see how much it has improved. Before it was so light, and now there's thickness coming in. Mind you, this is 2 months of consistency, like back to back, doing the same process for 2 months. And other times I've just been joking. I know it's terrible. I wasn't serious. Today I'm putting cream. Next tomorrow I'm not doing anything on the hair. If my son could have this much hair, why won't my daughter have hair? We can't have that. So I decided to be serious, and so far so good. It's working out. I'm seeing the results. Like, this is progress. Anyway, that's what I've been doing for 2 months consistently. If you have any other suggestion for me, you can drop it in the comment section. I will appreciate it. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.